Thank you for signing up for the Mastering QuickBooks Online Inventory Management course. What you need to know from the beginning is that you only need to know very basic QuickBooks Online to be able to start this course. You should have already made some basic transactions in QuickBooks Online, and you should have already learned how to check your transaction results in the common QuickBooks reports. If you need some basic QuickBooks Online knowledge before this course, then you can take the first few videos of the Mastering QuickBooks Online course available right here on this very website. Now, I'm trying my best to get you the software for free. One way is to sign up for the free 30-day trial. And the next video, the one that follows this one, will show you how to do that. The other way to get the software for free is to sign up for the free Accountants Edition. And the video after that will show you how to sign up for the Accountants Edition, and you can use that account for this course. And you can watch both videos and choose which one you would like to use with this course. And these two videos, by the way, are part of other courses for QuickBooks Online, because that's how I always set up my students in order to at least try to get them the software for free so that they can enjoy the course. Now, what you need to do is watch each video 2 times. Once just to relax and absorb the idea, and then watch it a second time to follow step by step. You should try to make sure that the numbers are the same in your file as they are in the video before going to the next video. Make sure they're the same as your QuickBooks Online account in your reports. Try to make sure that they match the numbers in the reports in the video before you move on. Of course, you can contact me if you have a question about the course or a question about the content or any other issue. I usually get back to my students pretty quickly, and I will give you my best possible answer. I thank you again for signing up, and I hope you enjoy the learning.